Okay, so we've seen in previous tutorial how we can add the streaming text effect when we get a response from our AI, but I'm going to show you a problem. If you can see here, when we get the overflow, it cuts it off and it's still streaming and giving me all of the data. It's just not scrolling down, okay? And I would like to add the auto scroll functionality. So here's how you do that. Let me first refresh this. And here, what you can do is add a useRef, okay? And I'm going to call this useRef chat box. So what's going to happen is that this is my chat box right here. Okay, I've added a overflow X auto to it. Okay, that's why you see a cutoff and a scroll bar here when the response gets too long. So here I'm gonna add a ref and I'm gonna add the chat box to it. Okay, and here I'm going to add a useEffect. Okay, and I'm gonna say that when the content ends up changing, then what I want to do is check if my chat box dot did I not use ref and also add the effect. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the current and I'm gonna say if the current has some value inside of it. Now I want to make the chatbox.current.scrollTop equal to height. Okay, and the errors that I'm getting, okay, so this is TypeScript, that's why it's giving me this error. You can get rid of this by doing this. Okay, and also I'm gonna make this null. Okay, so the errors should be gone. Let me just save this and let me just refresh this. Okay, now when I get the streaming text effect, it will scroll down with all of the text. There, as you can see, it's streaming in all of the data and it's scrolling down with all of the text. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.